Morning, guys. I don't like this grill. I told you guys before, it's just annoying that people come up to you and say, oh, you have a nice Jeep grill. It's not a Jeep grill, but we can do that some other time. But I do have another grill. I ordered it from Florida, and it was broken when I got here, so I plastic welded it, but we're going to try to throw it on. Check this out. I originally wanted to color match it to the car, which will probably happen, but I got to get this grill off and put this one on because I just can't stand it anymore. So we'll see about painting it later, but let's get it on.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
I'm gonna go see if I can find some brand new screws. I'll be back. Alright, so these old clips are just toast. It's just toast. And I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up while I got it off. It's just dirty. And then I bought some new clips and some new screws, so we'll get it all put back together. If you're wondering where Angel's at, she's out sick today. I was sick all week last week, and she is now sitting in the chimney hanging out. She's not doing so hot.
Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
Alright, we're gonna try this out. It is like 81 degrees outside, so I just have the garage door open. Lights are on too, but so that way I can have some nice sun. Hopefully you guys can still see. Done, at least until I get it painted. It looks a lot better to me. It's and our original Suzuki plastic grill, but I think we'll body match it and then paint the Suzuki symbol white if we can get somebody to color match this weird paint. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.